We recently updated our Tribe Social Zapier integration. Now you can both add and remove users from a group using Zapier. This can be really helpful if you have your own funnel that you're using to have people check out and purchase your program. And then after that, you want them to immediately be added to the group in your app. And likewise, if someone cancels or gets a refund, you can now set up an automation to also remove that person from your group. Let me show you how this works. First, jump into Zapier and go up to add a connection. Go ahead and search for Tribe Social. Next, you'll be asked to fill out your email address, your password for your dashboard, and then also the domain that you use for your Tribe app. This will be the domain that you have your Tribe dashboard, and it's the same login that you use when you sign in here. I'll go ahead and set up the trigger of when I want this action to run. So first, I'm going to connect this to ActiveCampaign. It's the CRM that we're using, but this will work with any CRM. So I'm going to choose that. I'm going to use the tag. So when a tag is added or removed to a contact, I want to add them or remove them from that group. So I'm going to click add and click continue. I'm going to choose my account here. I'll go in here and select the event as create user. The Zapier integration is really smart. If the user exists, it will simply upgrade that user and add them to a new group. And if that user doesn't exist, it will create a new user and then add them to the group. Create user is a great option. You're just going to pass the email address and then tell it which group to add. Hit continue. Now you can go ahead and enter the name. So I'm going to pull this from ActiveCampaign. So I can fill in the name. I can also set the email address. To find the group ID, head over to the dashboard and you're going to use the group ID right here. Here, I'll grab the ID of 471 to make sure that Chris is added to the EDC gear group. If you have placed a checkout or a Stripe transaction has taken place, you can grab that Stripe customer ID and actually place it here and it will get stored with that user in your Tribe account. I'll go ahead and hit test step and see how this works. Now I can jump over to my Tribe group, go to users, and you'll see that Chris Chan has now been added to the EDC group. Zapier automates this so that you can add a user to a group, whether they purchase or just opt into a funnel. If you have any questions, drop a comment below or email us at help@tribesocial.io.